What I found in the grocery. I really like this cookie from, we got them from H Mart, and it tastes like something, like it reminds me of some cookies in the Philippines. Coffee, because I need coffee like this. Ang sarap siya. Hey, good morning. It is another day. It is Thursday. Today is Thursday. I forgot. Anyway, thank you for the messages that I received yesterday about Eli, and I thought I'm gonna share our routine, how I clean their teeth, because I feel like, you know, hygiene is very important for the kids when they see their parents like doing their hygienes, you know, and stuff like that. I feel like they namamana, you know. But I know kids, hindi nila nalilinis ng thoroughly yung kanilang ngipin. That's why I use this sa kanila. Dito to sa kay Eli, and meron din kami dun sa bathroom namin. So ito kompleto na to, but I don't, oh no, it's down. So tatlo na to, meron siya ng, I don't know, mirror. I don't know how you call this. Meron din siya ng, I don't know, scalpel, scaling, I don't know anong tawag dyan. But ito yung ginagamit kong rubber part, panglinis. At least twice a week ko ginagamit ito sa kanila para thoroughly lang malinis yung mga, you know, extra sa ngipin. Eli already knows how to brush his teeth, but I do help him at least 3 times a week para mas malinis. So, minsan, piniprepare na namin yung like, toothbrush ng ganyan. At marunong naman na siya. I'll let him brush his teeth first, and then nilinisin ko na lang yan next. Come on, move closer to the sink. Ako na lang. Okay, you wanna gargle or gargle? Don't drink the ano. Good job, Eli. You're doing great. Your teeth is really clean. When you visit the dentist this July, yes, you need to visit the dentist because he needs to check your teeth. But that's all so dirty. Can you gargle, please?
Okay.
Good job.
Huh? Ate Karen, October.
Yes, you're gonna see Ate Karen in October. Ate Karen is Dan's sister. Then we're done. We're just gonna use floss. This is what I use. Very bright white teeth. Thank you. You're gonna take a bath. Eli is not working. Transcribing. Transcribe, and then it's check ko once it's done, or tatawagin niya ako na I'm done. Oh my gosh, your sister is singing so. This is her toothpaste. You wanna hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to. Because the unknown, because.
Unknown. Anong unknown? So far, itong dalawa, like, check ko to every week. Wala pa naman sila ng cavity. Good job!
I have a treasure.
Yes, you have a treasure. Good job! And then after nyan,
I'm gonna gargle.
okay. Look up. Up.
It looks like a treasure.
It just looks like a treasure. Good job! Your teeth is really clean. Straight on.
I'm funny.
You are. Don't Usually, yung mga nasa molars doon sa dulo, yun yung mga madumi kasi hindi naabot minsan ng toothbrush. Ah?
Easy. Rings.
With Elithia, it takes a lot of patience and time cleaning her teeth. We have so many breaks in between, but Ila is already a pro when it comes to cleaning his teeth, so mas madali. But Elithia needs a lot of patience. Open your mouth. Let's finish this. Oh,
I have a treasure.
yes. I'm gonna give you a treasure if you're nice. Open big. Good job. You're doing it.
I have a treasure.
Yes, mommy will find you a treasure.
Yeah.
Yung sinasabi niyang treasure is, treat. Like, kahit may bibigyan ko siya ng candy.
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Big, Good job. So that mommy can see all the cookies that you ate.
Yeah.
Did you eat a lot of cookies?
Yeah.
You should stop eating a lot of cookies because it's not healthy.
And to play.
Yeah, it's not
To
healthy
play
for
my
your teeth. Good job.
treasure. Ooh, super big teeth.
You're finished and your dress is wet. Say bye.
Bye. Bye, dentist.
Here's Elithia's treat. Just one at a time here, maybe on the side. Did you finish it? Just kasi Elithia na itong SpongeBob. You finish it naman. It's not selfish to also take care of ourselves, di ba? Like, mahirap kung mga kagaya ni Ila yung may mga disability and then yung mga caregiver nila mahirap mag-alaga na pag kailangan talaga ng help. Namumulubi na ako sa brow pencil ko. I went to the store last weekend and I don't know where I put the new brow pencil. I'm using this NYX in taupe. Ayan, minsan mahirap. But minsan lang naman yan na mahirap. Minsan na everyday. But, ganun, you just need to be patient with them. Kasi, wala naman sa kanilang tutulong. Diba? Ila is mabait naman. He is mabait. Yan lang pag meron siya ng meltdown. Nag-iiba ang lahat. I hope everyone is doing great. Bye.